Let's take a look at the new and key features of ARES Commander Edition 2014. ARES Commander Edition from Graybert is a full 2 and 3D CAD software. This software offers a very intuitive user interface that will be familiar to most professionals. We use DWG as our native file format, which means you can read and write files in the same format as AutoCAD, without using import or export commands. Our CAD technologies reach a total user base of nearly 5 million professionals all over the world. ARES includes all the tools you need to create and modify drawings in a professional way on your choice of Windows, Mac, or Linux computers. This release includes a new ribbon interface. You now get 3 working environments and can switch between them to get the right tools at the right time. If you're not comfortable with the ribbon, you can always switch back to familiar menus and toolbars. That said, the ribbon offers a very intuitive environment that can provide a major increase to your productivity. ARES Commander Edition 2014 is available in 14 languages, and you can switch anytime. You just need to relaunch the software. The help files are also completely translated into any of these 14 languages. Our CAD software also includes full 3D solids modeling features, powered by ARES, the leading solids modeler from Dassault Systems. In this release, we have added a new option for better 3D model viewing, the Roll View Center command, which defines the center of rotation for your model. This enables much better control when using 3D constrained orbit. You'll see here that ARES Commander Edition includes a Properties panel to allow editing the properties of any element you select. You can filter your selection to isolate a particular type of entity whose properties you want to read or change. You may also use Smart Select to refine your search by specific criteria. One of the key features we'd like to highlight is the new Design Resources palette. This palette will change the way you interact with existing blocks, drawings, and models. The result will be a major increase in your productivity. Design Resources allows you to browse your computer or network for contents you want to reuse in the current drawing. For example, you can drag and drop a sheet, a style, a layer, or a block from another drawing. We've added more options to rich line editing. Rich lines in ARES are smart, multiple parallel lines following styles you define. New options include intersection editing features and methods to cut and join your rich lines. We've also added support for drawing standards and the corresponding file format. The software will verify the current drawing, comparing it with the standards defined by your project, and will help you fix any violation of these standards. ARES Commander Edition supports layouts to define different printing configurations for your project. You can insert images such as a logo or a picture in your drawings, or attach other files in reference, including PDF files, DGN files, and other drawings. When you're ready to print, productivity features are available for any paper size and any scale. You'll see that ARES supports CTB and STB print styles and other advanced features. We've also added the possibility to export your drawings to PDF. Among other options, you can choose to include layers and layouts in the PDF. But in this release, we have added the ability to import PDF files and automatically convert your PDFs into DWG drawings you can further edit. We've also added a number of enhancements for layers. To begin with, ARES Commander Edition now supports layer and entity transparency. If you search for transparency in options, you'll find, for example, the ability to define the transparency of all locked layers. The new Layers preview is a very nice tool to understand what is on each layer and eventually change your layer's configuration. Let's also have a look at the improvements to the Layers Manager. Layers, groups, and filters are now very intuitive to use. For example, you can drag and drop layers to add them to a group, or right-click on them to change the visibility of each group. Finally, we've improved support for groups with the new Quick Group and Quick Ungroup features. You just need to right-click a selection to group or ungroup elements. Several other options can be found in the ribbon. Thanks for listening, and don't miss our free trial of ARES Commander 2014 on our website, www.graybert.com.